Is Astra AI worth your money in 2026, or are you about to get scammed? I've spent days digging into AstraAI.co, reading every review, and putting their so-called AI-powered tutoring to the test. So here's my no-nonsense verdict in under 2 minutes. First off, Astra AI is definitely not a scam. It's a legit startup out of Slovenia, and it's all over Central Europe. Hundreds of thousands of students, especially in Germany and Austria, are using it to prep for math, physics, and chemistry, and the feedback is mostly positive. Here's what stands out. The tech is real. Astra runs on GPT-4o, which means it's not just spitting out answers. It actually walks you through problems step by step, so you actually learn instead of just copying. A lot of students and even some parents are saying their grades have gone up, and that exam stress is way more manageable. And if you get stuck, their support team actually replies. Fast. But not everything is perfect. The biggest complaint? The price. The free version gives you just a few daily uses, and the premium plan can feel expensive. About €24 a month or 120 for the year. For a lot of students, that's a stretch. Plus, because Astra is built on OpenAI tech, it's what's called a wrapper company, meaning it still faces big competition from giants like Google or OpenAI themselves jumping into the same space. Some users also say Astra sometimes gets things wrong, so you can't just blindly trust every answer. So, is Astra AI worth it? It's a solid, legit tool if you want interactive study help and you're tackling European school subjects. But before you pay, use the free trial. See if it works for your classes and if it fits your budget. That's my quick review. Let me know in the comments what you think, or if you've tried Astra AI yourself.